Hello everyone, welcome to our channel.
Gusto kayo?
So today we're going to where, Andrew?
We're going to the Reptile Show in Pomona, California.
Yes, so Andrew and I, we live just the two of us in our house, and we're thinking maybe we need a pet, but we need a pet that is not that high maintenance. Right, Andrew?
Yeah.
This is our first time going to a reptile show, and I'm thinking of getting a reptile pet. I don't know what yet. Andrew, what do you want to get?
I don't know. There's a lot of stuff. There's like lizards, turtles, tortoises, whatever. Snakes are gonna be pretty cool. I don't know. You name it. So.
Yeah. So if you like reptiles or you just want to see what a reptile show is, keep on watching. So everybody that is walking out, almost everyone bought a snake.
Those turtles. I want to get those little turtles too.
So I'm actually excited. I want to see.
Alright, we're over here in Pomona, Fairplex. There's a lot of people, tons of people carrying snake stuff. And there's also like tons of food trucks. And this is all the pretty cool stuff. Check it out.
Different kinds of snakes here, and we're looking for something that is not too expensive, right?
Yeah. No, Mark. I think it's 200. Can't do 300.
Well, this one.
It's 250. 200.
This is Bumble. This is Bumble.
Yeah, these are ready to kill your ass.
So what do you think?
I don't know.
It's only 100. Pretty pastel.
That's gonna be 350.
How's it going? Very good. How are
Do you
you?
recommend it for like beginners?
Yeah. Okay.
But then again, so are king snakes, so are rosy bows, so are corn snakes. They're all really easy.
You could just for your own
Can I hold
information,
it?
here's the genetics.
Does it bite?
Bacteria.
It could. It's got a mouth.
How do you?
The first snake you ever held in your life.
It's try, huh? Because it's falling.
Alright, we got a few tropes. You're gonna need a cage, a water bowl, and somewhere to heat it. So I recommend heat pads, and then some kind of bedding. So this is pine. You can use pine, you can use aspen, you can use cypress, you can use cocoa, paper towels, paper, whatever you want.
Okay. Wow, you should hold a snake. Well, that's why we're here. We have hours. Like, pick a coral snake. See if you like a coral snake. Actually, maybe not so much. Maybe not a coral one.
What's up, guys? How you doing?
Pretty good. We're
You guys have any questions about anything?
we're beginners, man. So we're probably gonna have a lot of questions. So I'm guessing these are pretty good for beginners.
Bows are awesome.
Yeah.
They get
Okay.
a little, so if you're looking for something that's got a little more size than a ball python, bows are a good direction. If you want something that's going to stay a little on the smaller side, ball pythons are definitely a good choice.
Wow.
The whole camera.
Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, it's a little tiny one.
Gosh!
It's called the Osmo Pocket. So
Oh, it's the DDI.
DJI. Yeah. Carry it with me in my pocket, you know.
Osmo, huh?
Yep. And then you can do like little. Because we're like vlogging right now. Hey, what's up?
That's awesome.
So yeah, we're new to this stuff. So.
Oh, cool, man. Well, if you want to hold something, let me know, man.
Hey, you want to check something out? We're super beginners.
Oh, it feels good.
Oh my god, it looks like it's about to bite me.
That is a ball python, baby. Look at here. Let me trade you with this one. This is a $1,600 snake.
Oh, really? Oh my god. $1,600 snake. That one right there.
BPI Sunblow Jungle. BPI Sunblow Jungle. Reptile Bowl.
Oh my god, okay.
Really pretty.
Can I get the name of it really quick? Oh, how does it look like? How does it feel? See, what's the $1,600 snake in your hand?
I want this.
It's $1,600.
Got right out of it. So all they see is humans. They don't have to
Close
hunt.
your eyeballs, Mom.
They don't
Not too close to your eyeballs.
So it's not aggressive. There's no such thing as an aggressive snake. No such thing. They're scared. So they don't know who you are. They're a little nervous. You know what I mean? So they're just protecting themselves. But they're not aggressive. There's not such thing like a snake just comes out and says, I'm gonna bite somebody right now. You know what I mean? No, they're just super chill. And they see something like, oh, I'm scared. What is that thing? You know what I mean? I might have to protect myself. That's kind of what's about.
For sure.
So you might bite us right now. That's what you're saying.
Whoa, look at the new addition to our family.
And our first baby.
First, technically, baby.
And we're gonna name our baby Nagini. And I'm gonna start an Instagram for Nagini.
Alright, so we're done shopping. I didn't find any turtles, but tortoise or whatever. But it's all good. It's all good. I'm happy with our snake.
Yeah, we have our new family member.
We're gonna go pick up our stuff that we bought earlier. We just left it somewhere, so yeah.
So if you like this video, please press subscribe and like button.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next one.